Hello students, let us practice some more balancing of chemical equations. So the example which I have taken is lead oxide plus hydrochloric acid gives lead chloride, chlorine plus water. So the steps, first step is writing each of the reactants and products in the boxes, then enlisting them, the number of atoms of each element in the reaction, unbalanced equation. So we can see for the reactants, lead is 3 over here and 1 lead here, oxygen 4 left hand side and 1 on the right hand side, hydrogen 1 on the left hand side, 2 on the right hand side, chlorine 1 on the left hand side and 2 plus 2, total 4 chlorine atoms on the right hand side. Now the third step, again writing the whole equation in the boxes, and then now we will add the required coefficients to balance the equation. So let us start with this oxide because this has maximum number of atoms. So let us start with oxygen because oxygen is more than lead over here. So left hand side I have 4 oxygen, right hand side I have 1. So I will add 4 here. The moment I add 4 here, hydrogen becomes 4 2s are 8. So let us make this hydrogen 8. So I have made it 8. The moment I make HCl 8 over here, so chlorine also turns out to be 8. So already I am having over here 2 and 2. So let us first balance lead now. Lead is 3 this side and 1 this side. So I put 3 here. Now you see what happens is lead is 3. The moment I make lead 3, it becomes 3. Chlorine becomes how much? 3 2s are 6 plus 2. So it becomes 8. So now let us check the whole equation once more. Lead 3 on the left hand side, 3 on the right hand side, oxygen 4 over here, oxygen 4 on the right hand side also, hydrogen is 8, hydrogen is also 8 over here, chlorine is 8Cl over here, and here 3 into 2 is 6 plus 2 8. So the equation is balanced. The final answer will be Pb3O4, it is solid, plus HCl, 8 HCl, it can be written as aqueous. You get lead chloride solution, PbCl2, that is also aqueous, plus Cl2 gas, plus 4H2O, that is liquid. So this is the equation. Next example is oxidation of ethane. Ethane is C2H6. So C2H6 plus O2 gives carbon dioxide and water vapor. So the first step, as usual, you write down the reactants and products in the boxes. Second step, I think you have learned by this time. You write down the atoms of each element on the reactant and the product side. So you see left hand side I have 2 carbon, right hand side I have 1 carbon. Left hand side I have 6 hydrogens, right hand side I have 2 hydrogen. Left hand side I have 2 oxygen, right hand side I have 2 plus 1, 3 oxygen. This example students have taken specially because when you have an odd number, so this is not a rule, just a trick which may help you to do it faster. So let us see third step. So I have just written down the whole equation again just like in step 1. Now let us start balancing. So we will start balancing from ethane. Ethane, hydrogen is 6. So I will try to make this as 6. The moment I make it 3 into 2 is 6. But oxygen becomes 3 here and 2 here. That is 5. So I told you we will try to make it even. So how to make it even? If I make this, the next number is, let us take it as 6. Multiple of 3, 6. So now this becomes 6 oxygen here and 2, it is 8 and 6 2s are 12 hydrogen. To make it 12 hydrogen, I put 2 here. So hydrogen is balanced. Then let us see carbon. 2 into 2 is 4. Carbon over here. So I put a 4 over here. Now, so carbon is balanced, hydrogen is balanced. Next is oxygen. So let us see oxygen on the right hand side. 4 2s are 8 and over here 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. So how to make this oxygen 14? Just put a 7 over here. So I think now you have understood it. So final equation answer will be 2 here, 7 here, 4 CO2 and 6, and then their physical state all are gases, all gases, reactants and products. So the equation is done. The next example, sodium plus water gives sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. So the first step is done. The second step is also done. You can see the sodium, one atom on the left hand side, one on the right hand side, hydrogen 2 on the left hand side, hydrogen 1 plus 2 is 3 on the right hand side, oxygen 1 on the left hand side, and oxygen is also 1 on the left hand side. So hydrogen part is not balanced. So let us start, as I told you in the earlier example. So this is odd, we'll try to make it even. So to make it even, if I put 2 here, yes, so now hydrogen becomes how much? 2 here, 2 hydrogen and plus 2, 4. To make hydrogen 4, I put a 2 over here. So 2 2s are 4. Oxygen, when I put 2 over here, oxygen also becomes 2 and sodium also becomes 2. So when I put 2 here, this oxygen also becomes 2. So only the atom which is left is sodium. So I put a 2 here. So the final equation is 2 sodium, this is solid. Then 2 water, this is liquid. Sodium hydroxide 2, this is aqueous, and hydrogen is gas. So this is the final answer. Okay, thank you children.